That's Governor Hogan, all right? And that's me. I'm talking about the man in the red hat. And we're going to talk about Brooke Learman. We're going to talk about Bill Ferguson. We're going to talk about Corey McRae. We're going to talk about the money y'all make off the prison industry. Your 401ks are tied to the prison industry. That's not a bomb. February 2011. February 2011, I blew the whistle on y'all. That's my witness, Tony, from the Corinthians. I put that toilet in front of the courthouse on February the 6th. That's parole and probation, Miss Diggs. Y'all got to play this whole tape. Everything from parole and probation, everything from parole and probation, you're going to have to play. All right? It's just the way it is. That's Senator Cardin's. All right? In regards to your documentary, I would not be able to appear if my office can be of any assistance. Well, your office needs to be of assistance because I was kidnapped by the state. We talk about the prison industry, the new face of old Jim Crow. That's Governor Hogan. That's Cardin's. That's Senator Cardin's. That's 2007. That's Delegate Stephanie Smith. Racism don't work without black cooperation. Stephanie Smith got evidence, knowledge, and refuses to address this. You was elected to represent us, not to do Google searches, not to do crossword puzzles, not to talk about your crown. You were elected to represent the people in your district. I'm one of them people. You refused to answer this mail. That's evidence for a federal investigation. I was kidnapped. See that? That's August 2013. I'm a whistleblower on the courts. All right? That's States Attorney's Office. Marilyn Mosby. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. That's President Biden. That's Delegate Sheila Roof. That's Justice Mary Barbera. All right? And she got that, received. That's Department of Justice, Eric Barron. He got that. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. That's the Public Justice Center. We talking about mass incarceration in your prison industry. We talking about the new face of old Jim Crow. Y'all seen the movie The 13th Amendment? Y'all got the book by Michelle Alexander, The New Face of Old Jim Crow? Well, I met Michelle Alexander. She met me at the Real News in 2014. That's Brian Frosch, a federal and state audit. That's Peter Francott. And right here, this case right here, 11950 Falls Road, y'all got to do an audit, a federal and a state audit. A federal and a state audit, right there. Mr. O'Neill. All right, WJZ, Adam May. Y'all did an hour-and-a-half interview, and y'all got to play that interview. That's me, Dwayne G. Davis. Baltimore County Detention Center. Legal mail. That's Scott Shellenberger. That's my Department of Justice number. Because like I said, I'm a whistleblower. All evidence in the Jailhouse Diary that you stole. All right? And the state's attorney received that. That's James Calabrese from the state prosecutor's office. All evidence and materials used in the case number 14-305, common law crimes of misconduct. All witnesses interviewed and my testimony given to Mr. Calabrese to file charges against Scott Shellenberger for malice prosecution, retaliatorial prosecution against Dwayne Davis for exposing the corruption in the courthouse. Letters and evidence submitted to you as a whistleblower. That's Doug Giles, all right? All materials sent to Barry Sims, the I-Team, Jane Miller. That's the state's attorneys in 2014. Y'all got that. Criminal investigation, Internal Revenue Services. That's the case right there. I'm a whistleblower. That's Chief Johnson. All property taken 2/7/2011. That's the state's attorney's office. This is me. And that's Mr. Fields. He's making a movie about the Democratic Party. Governor O'Malley, Congressman Cummings, Cardins, Mikulski, Richard McFeely, Judge Bell, Judge Pearson, Judge Turnbull, Judge Boris, Governor Quinn, Eric Holder, CBS Gayle King, and CEO of Bank of America. You the controller. You the controller. That's Mayor Pugh and Shorty. You the controller, and I need an audit. 11950 Falls Road, Shorty's Underground Ribs. Commissioner Harrison, you got evidence. You got plenty of evidence. Governor Hogan, you got evidence. If you go to Senator Antonio Hayes, he got a book called I Am Dred Scott. I gave Senator Antonio that book in front of Mayor Pugh. I gave it to y'all at a meeting, a public meeting. And so does Jack. Mary Washington, we're going to talk about gay marriage and marriage equality, because when y'all was signing them bills, you let stop and frisk and zero tolerance go wild. That's Senator Van Hollen. And we got to have a meeting. You feel me? We got a meeting that's long overdue. So Peter Francott, you seen me the other day and we talked. And in this conversation, you said that we was going to have an audit. You gave me your phone number right out front. Corey McRae, Bill Ferguson, Brooke Learman. I filed my paperwork. I'm a whistleblower. I'm a whistleblower in Maryland's prison industry. That's Fox 45. That's 92Q. Shorty, pull your mask up. Well, I got everything I need right here for a federal investigation. And these mail receipts. That's the NAACP. You feel me? U.S. Department of Justice, federal prisons, Julian Bond. Governor Hogan's prime bill is just going to reinvent slavery under the 13th Amendment. I'm not the man with the red hat. I'm Shorty. So in 2022, we want to shoot down your crime bill. 2022, we need a federal investigation. If Blagojevich can go to jail for selling seats, you can go to jail for slavery. You can go to jail too, Gov. Everything that you've been building up for the last 8 years, we're going to have an audit, a federal and state audit. Identity theft, all right? Victims assistance. And I need your assistance. I need your assistance now.